Hi, I'm Mike from directfromwarehouse.com. Today I'm going to show you Saria Smart Motor Belt Drive Curtain Track System Model ST101. It's really a high quality, very cool product. Why is it really cool? Because you can order it perfectly cut, custom sizes, single track, dual track, bend track, or whatever way you want. Not only tracks, you can also customize controlling options because it comes with a variety of remote controls, wall controls, and specially designed programs for home automation as per your unique needs. All custom orders are shipped direct from factory. Take a look at Saria's newly designed multi-channel remote control with built-in timer watch. It will allow you to control your curtain while you're not there. For example, if you're not at home and strong sunlight comes into your living room from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m., no problem. Just simply set the time on your handheld remote and let it do the job. We ship worldwide. Saria ST101 tracks are available in 110 and 220 voltage. Call our toll-free number 1-800-328-1424 or email us at sales@directfromwarehouse.com.